So, America, man, I'm getting old. I am old. I feel young, man, but I'm not. Boss, man, I went up to some chicks and I said, "Hey, what's up?" They're like, "Hey, you're a little too old for me." I'm like, "Oh shit, I'm sorry, but man, I keep forgetting I'm old. Back in the days, I would have got them though. I still feel like I'm young though. You look in the mirror. Ay. What do we want to do? Young girls like old vatos. But they were a little too young, I guess. And, eh, you know, it's, next time. You just don't know how these old vatos take care of business. They'll find out. You don't want to know where I am. Give me that money. You need a sugar daddy. Papa.